Passed on, the body has to make new cells which can inherit the genes. There's two main mechanisms: mitosis, which is how the body makes identical copies of body cells to grow and repair tissues, and meiosis, which is how the body makes gametes, so sperm and egg cells. Mitosis starts with a diploid cell, so a cell with two sets of chromosomes. These chromosomes consist of one chromatid, which has to be replicated for the new cell. After replication is when you see the familiar X shape consisting of two identical sister chromatids. These are split into two identical diploid cells with two sets of chromosomes consisting of one chromatid. Meiosis also starts with a diploid cell, but after replication, the chromosomes commingle and exchange genetic information in a process called crossing over. The cell is then split into two non-identical haploid cells. These have one set of chromosomes, but they still consist of two sister chromatids. These cells split again into four genetically different haploid cells, where each chromosome has one chromatid. Meiosis produces haploid cells so that when two gametes combine into a fertilized egg or zygote, it again has the correct number of chromosomes. This is cool, but cell division is only a tiny part of a cell's entire life cycle. Most of its time is actually spent in interphase, aka just chilling. All it does here is grow and replicate all of its DNA so that it actually has enough genetic material and size to divide in M phase. There's multiple checkpoints in the cell cycle which are controlled by proteins like p53 or cyclin to check if the cell is healthy and ready to reproduce. If a cell is not quite right, it's either fixed or it destroys itself, which is called apoptosis. Or at least, that's what it should do. Normal cells replicate until there's no need to, but some cells just keep going. This is because they don't